Hi, in this video we are going to talk about what you need to have to be a successful entrepreneur. See, to starting a successful business, you need to have three basic things. It's called awareness, a dream, and a grit. See, awareness is all about the way you think, how you think. The awareness is all about your present, awareness of your knowledge, awareness of your resource, awareness of your network, awareness people around you, awareness of your idea. So this is all you need to know. You need to be aware about your default and your abilities. In the same time, you need to have a dream. I strongly believe that if you can see the future from present, you can bring the future in present. So the more clear is your dream, the higher the motivation you will have to work on your dream. See, every leader, whether they are a rebellion or whether they are a business leaders, they have a vision. Without vision, there is no leadership, and without leadership, there is no great entrepreneurship. So if you want to be a great entrepreneur, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to have a vision. All right, so let's talk about the grit. Grit is all about determination. Recently, a research has been made by a researcher in US. They went in school, competitive exam, college, universities, even in enterprises, and tried to analyze that what one factor make the people successful. And researcher understand or concluded that it's not intelligence and it's not money what make the people successful. What make the people successful is their determination in their objective, in their goal. So if you are determined in your project, you can be a successful entrepreneur. So in this video we learn that to be a successful, we need to have three things: awareness, a dream, and a determination. More about the determination, we can find the resources in the resource section. Thank you for your time and thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.